When you search for the best graphics card for Autocad, everything looks the same. Same specs, same flashy images. But to find what actually delivers performance, you need to look a little deeper. Product number 1, Gigabyte GV N710D32GL. First up is the Gigabyte GV N710D32GL. Priced at $64.99, this graphics card caught my eye with its low-profile design. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gives a decent performance boost for AutoCAD, this one's worth a serious look. So why does this matter for you? This means you can work on those intricate designs without the graphics lagging behind. It features dual-link DVI and HDMI outputs, which make connecting it to multiple monitors a breeze, perfect for multitasking. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its reliability. Now, some people complained about its limited 2 GB RAM being insufficient for more intensive software. Here's the thing though, if your work primarily involves 2D drafts and light 3D modeling, this will get the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a student or a hobbyist just starting with CAD. Skip this one if you're a professional needing more power for extensive 3D rendering. Honestly, it's a solid value for the price. Now, if the limited memory of the Gigabyte bothered you, this next one has got you covered with more capabilities. Product number 2, MSI GeForce GT 1030. Next up is the MSI GeForce GT 1030, priced at $119.99. This card caught my attention for its blend of efficiency and performance. If you want a graphics card that can handle AutoCAD tasks without a hitch, this is worth considering. It supports a maximum resolution of 3840x2160, making it perfect for high-definition displays. The single-fan design keeps things cool while being extremely quiet, so you won't be distracted while working. With over 465 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, users rave about its capability for 3D modeling. However, some reviews point out that it may struggle with high-end gaming. Here's the thing though, it's designed specifically for CAD applications, so unless you're mixing heavy gaming with your work, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This card is great for intermediate users who need reliable performance without spending a fortune. Skip it if you're doing hardcore gaming on the side. Overall, it delivers excellent value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more power. Product number 3, Maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550. Now let's talk about the Maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550, which is priced at $109.99. This one stood out due to its impressive specs for the price. If you're looking for a budget card that can still handle 3D rendering with ease, consider giving this a look. What's really impressive is its maximum resolution capability of 7680x4320 pixels, meaning you can comfortably work on large, detailed files without compromise. It also boasts a unique 9 cm fan that keeps noise levels down while ensuring efficient cooling, perfect for long hours of work. With a 4.4-star rating and 1,700 reviews, it's clearly winning hearts. That said, for typical AutoCAD tasks, it performs admirably, and you can always manage temperatures with decent airflow in your case. This is perfect for you if you're a CAD enthusiast looking for great performance without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you need a card strictly for gaming or high-end graphics. It's a fantastic value for the specs. Now, if the cooling issue of the Maxsun concerns you, listen up because the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 4, Maxsun GeForce GT 710. Next, we have the Maxsun GeForce GT 710, available for just $54.99. This card caught my eye because of its fanless design, which is a rare find at this price point. If you're in need of a quiet workstation, this option might just be for you. The GT 710 features a maximum resolution of 1920x1080 and a passive cooling system. This means it operates silently, which is perfect for those late-night design sessions when you need focus without distractions. It's also compatible with a variety of setups, making it versatile for different users. With a 4.4-star rating from 740 reviews, many users appreciate its ease of use. However, some users have pointed out that it struggles with more demanding software. Here's the thing, it's an entry-level card, ideal for basic tasks. If you're doing intensive 3D work, you might want to look at something with more power. This is perfect for you if you're just drafting simple 2D designs or need a secondary card in a workstation. Skip this one if you plan to work on complex 3D projects. For the price, it's a solid choice for light use. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the last product on my list might pique your interest. Product number 5, MSI Gaming GeForce GT 710. Finally, we have the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 710, priced at $74.97. This card caught my attention with its combination of solid specs and reliability. If you want a budget-friendly option that still performs decently, this might be worth your time. With a 4.4-star rating from 4,800 reviews, it's evident that many users find it dependable for everyday use. But some reviews mention that it can be underwhelming for 3D applications. Here's the thing, if you're primarily working in 2D or need a card for basic modeling, this will serve you well. For heavy 3D tasks, it might not meet expectations. This is perfect for you if you're on a very tight budget and just need to run AutoCAD without frills. Skip this one if you're a professional needing more graphics capability. For what you pay, it's a reliable choice. So there you have it. A quick look at 5 graphics cards that cater to different needs for AutoCAD users. To wrap it up, we covered the Gigabyte GV-N710D32GL for budget users, the MSI GeForce GT 1030 for a solid middle ground, the Maxsun AMD Radeon RX 550 for those wanting more power, the Maxsun GeForce GT 710 for quiet operations, and finally the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 710 for basic tasks. Each card has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose based on your specific needs.